Hello everyone and welcome back to Scott's Honest Review. So today we are reviewing this LED magnetic pickup tool flashlight. So I'm really excited because this is going to come in handy for not just when I'm working on my vehicle, but if we got to walk downstairs at nighttime to get a drink of water and so many other applications. I think you guys are absolutely going to love this. Let's get unboxing. Alright, so right away it says, before use, unscrew the head of the flashlight where the batteries are located. Take out the insulation strip prior to use, then screw the head back on. Okay. Wow, this is really nice. Look at this sleek design. Wow. So let's go ahead and unscrew this off. So as we see here, there's a little white piece here. So we go ahead and pull that off. And then we place the battery right back in. So they do supply the batteries, which is really cool. Now we're going to go ahead and put this back in. As you guys can see, it's got a lot of brightness to it. So one thing that is really awesome is, check this out. So this extends really far, and then at the top here, this rotates. So you could be shining anywhere. There's something you need to find, no problem. Twist it to that angle that you need it. And for a mechanic, this is very important. And then it just goes right back into the original spot, just like that. So it's got a clip on here. That is awesome. Now we can go down here and see this is a magnet, and this is great for picking up screws and stuff that you drop, or if you want to place this somewhere so it will stick, you can also go ahead and do that as well. And check this out, they even supply you with spare batteries. To be honest with you, no company has done that. I have not reviewed a product with spare batteries supplied. That is really generous of this company. Very happy with this. Under here is our solar system. Check this out. We can now take a look back here. So if I want to look at our temperature of our batteries and check things over, I can simply use this. And the great thing about this is we can extend it, and I can look from an angle instead of just straight ahead like normal flashlights. So as you can see, we have it extended out, and now I can look from an angle just like that. So it's pretty awesome. So that allows me to see things more clear from different perspectives. Can't forget that it extends really far and magnetic, so all we got to do is place it. So that's pretty awesome. So that's gonna come in big handy when we drop some screws or bolts when we're working on a vehicle. So you guys can see, headed down the steps, very bright even in semi-daylight, and if the power ever goes out, no problem. We have a flashlight, so now we can head down into our basement here, re-switch the breaker if we need to. So this is a very bright light. I'm very happy with this. I think you guys will be too.